All right, folks, here we are at another property in Kansas City North, in the Northland of Kansas City. So if Kansas City's an area you guys have been thinking about moving to or upgrading to, we've got you covered, because we're going to take a look at this property inside and out and tell you everything there is to know about this area and Kansas City in general. So stick with us to the end. Got great information for you guys. Hi, my name is Fernando Marquez, and I'm a licensed real estate agent with United Kansas City. Welcome to my channel, Investing and Living in Kansas City. So if this is the first time you're channel, please click like and subscribe. All the information's down below. Leave a message, let us know what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see. It could be a property like this, a bigger one, a smaller, it doesn't matter. Kansas, Missouri, we work on both sides of the state line. So we talk to people like you all the time about real estate, about moving to Kansas City, relocating, about finding their forever home, upgrading, downgrading, finding a piece of land to build their forever home, or better yet, an investment property. So I've been a real estate agent for 5 years and an investor for over 8 years. So we've got you covered when it comes to looking at properties, how to evaluate properties, buying properties that are distressed, that need to be upgraded. If you got a property that you're getting ready to list and you want a consultation of what things you can do to get the most value in the market, well, we're the people that you want to talk to, because we do this all the time, not only for customers, but also for ourselves when we're looking at properties that we want to add to our rental portfolio. Para mi comunidad hispana, estamos aquí para servirle a ustedes. Cualquier cosa que necesite de bienes y raíces, estamos aquí para servirlo. Pásanos una llamada, un texto, un correo electrónico, o mejor todavía, una llamada tipo Zoom, en donde podemos conocerlo y compartir información a través de la computadora. So like I mentioned before, I've been a real estate agent for 5 years, 8 years as an investor. So we have a lot of information, a lot of knowledge, and a lot of experience that we can help you guys in your transition to relocating to Kansas City or buying your first home. Anything under the umbrella of investing or buying property in the Kansas City metropolitan area. I've been a resident for over 38 years, and I've seen a lot of growth in that time. And I've seen a lot of areas that are on the cusp of blossoming and expanding as this city is growing tons, and it has been for quite some time, and there's no stopping inside. So don't hesitate to reach out to us, email, text, phone call, or better yet, set up a Zoom call where we can meet face to face, share information. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're waiting for your call. Thank you. God bless. All right, folks. So before we jump in here and take a tour of the property, let's look at the neighborhood and the exterior of the property first. All right, so this is the property in question. As you can see, it's quite large, but let's go ahead and look at the surrounding area. And I will tell you something. Today, it is a scorcher. It's over 100 degrees right now. So as you can see, this entire neighborhood is newer. Most of the houses here are about 2019, 2020. They're all going to be roughly around the same size, all 3 car garages. It's a very nice area. As you can tell, everything's upkept real well. You can see the trees. Remember, I always talk about the trees in my videos. A little bit smaller, because it defines it's going to be a smaller or newer neighborhood. So let's go ahead and just look a little bit on the outside over here. See, everything's manicured real nicely. This is a really nice property. Let's go ahead and go see this side over here. It's a very nice property, 3 car garage. So let's go ahead and go inside and do the walkthrough. All right, so here we are coming in. You come in right into the large living room area, dining room, kitchen, and you can see the deck to the outside. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and see bedroom number 1. Here's your hallway closet. This is going to be your master bedroom. Nice size. That shows the backyard. Okay. Nice vaulted ceilings, ceiling fan. And that's all lit. I've always liked those myself. So here's your master bathroom. Nice hard surfaces, large mirror. I think you guys are gonna like this shower. Look how deep this shower goes. Nice bench. The same solid surface that the shower pan is made out of is the same as the countertops in here. So a lot of those are it's called Onyx brand. They're very good. Here's your linen closet. Your water closet facing out the front. And here is your walk-in closet. Pretty standard, but very nice. Okay, so this was your master. Now, let's go. So here's your living room like we walked in earlier. Actually, let's go ahead and go through the bedrooms. Okay, so here is your bedroom number 1, facing the front of the property. You can tell these are nice sized bedrooms. Walk-in closet in here. Okay, here's the next bedroom. That is bedroom, that would be bedroom number 2. Here's your bathroom up here. Nice size bathroom, pretty normal. You've got the surround sound instead of tile, but that's very nice as well. Here's the solid countertops. And here is your first floor. First floor laundry, right where you want it to be. First floor with 3 of the bedrooms are at. Okay. So it's a very nice gas fireplace. That's obviously where your TV will go. Look at all this natural light coming in here from the outside. Floor to ceiling windows. Here's your slider. Let's go check out the backyard. Okay, so here's your property line. You can see it up front, going all the way to the back. Nice picket fence. Very nice yard, well manicured. This covered deck, we'll go into it in a second here. You see what I like about these yards is it's mostly flat, so it makes it very useful. You do fires, you play horseshoes, you play any type of games outside. So this covered deck is very nice. It's very nicely done, 6x6 post. So there's quite a bit of room here if you put a table, maybe a couple chairs, a barbecue grill. So that's the outdoor living everybody wants. And you can see here they had this set up with a TV outside. There's your TV mount. Okay, ceiling fan right here on the outside. So they were spending a lot of time out here, that's for sure. Let's go and talk a little bit about the kitchen. Very nice kitchen. I always look for the crown molding. Anytime you get some crown molding in your kitchen, they went the extra step, and it's obviously something special. You've got these nice granite countertops, nice ceramic tile backsplash. You've got that dark ceramic sink. Can lights up top. You got a stainless steel appliance package. So in this area, you could get away with putting a narrow island, in my opinion. I've done them before, add some extra space. And then here's your walk-in pantry. Yeah, it's pretty decent size and done well. I mean, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves, and then you've got the floor to store stuff there. We'll take a view from the kitchen, looking all the way across the living room into the master. And you can see people walking up. So it's a pretty nice setup, mostly open floor plan, which is all the rage nowadays. Very nice sized area. This right here is basically be your closet. You can see it's a nice size walk-in closet, or a hallway closet, if you will. So this right here would be the fourth bedroom downstairs. This is facing the front. Okay. Double door closet right here. Nice size. So this is a perfect area. Here's your family room. There's your breaker box. So it's very large. A lot of good times down here to be had. Here is your other bathroom, the downstairs. Good sized bathroom. Let's go ahead and go into the garage area. 3-car garage. Ample amount of room in here for storage. You can see back here, this is where your storage area is going to be. Okay. You have, you see, here's your mechanical closet. You got electric water heater and a high efficiency furnace. Remember from my previous videos, I always talk about what to notice or what to point out to tell high efficiency from not. And that's those PVC pipes that go straight out through to the side of the house. Okay. All right, that's going to conclude our walkthrough of the property, showcasing this property here. So let's talk about the numbers. This property is 4 bedroom, 3 bath, 2,300 square feet. It's a 2019 build, and it's listed for $450,000. Now, I think it's a great deal. There's a lot of value in this property. There's a lot to offer, simply because almost all your living space is on one floor. Now, you do have the great space downstairs. There's another bedroom, a full bath, and a large family room area. It'd be great to set up a pool table, another living area with a big screen TV, or you can almost make that into an apartment downstairs. There's a way to go ahead and close that off, put a door downstairs, and you've got an apartment, a mother-in-law quarters. So everything in here screams, this isn't gonna last long. So if this is something you guys are interested in, let me know. We can set a walkthrough for you guys. If there's other properties in the area in the Northland of Kansas City or down south or even in Kansas, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We love talking about real estate. We've been talking about real estate all day long. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. Remember, phone call, text, email, or set up a Zoom call. We're here for you guys. Thank you and God bless.